If you've been out this morning, you've felt the strong winds and you've seen probably trees down. This is one over here near Mondawmin. Looks like it might have been an old tree that just had enough because of the wind. There are a number of power outages across Maryland. They topped 60,000 at one point. BGE says they were prepared for this. They have their storm center up and running. There's also the danger of fires in the Washington, D.C. area that have spread a lot faster because of the wind. Again, this is a scene we're seeing repeated across the area. These trees that are down. It's going to be windy for the remainder of today and into tomorrow. We'll have a look at conditions around the state, including some snow that we got coming up on WJZ at noon.